Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be eating the Big Dipper pizza from Pizza Hut. I got half pepperoni and half cheese, and it comes with ranch, honey barbecue, and 2 marinara. And I also got their new Nashville hot bone-out wings. Don't come at me, but I don't like bone-in wings. I just don't like it. And this is a thumbs up. It's like the Indian version of a Coke / Pepsi. It's so good. If you guys have never had it, go try it. So let's just dig in because I'm so hungry. You guys don't even know. Like, my stomach is like going crazy. And I have some questions that I asked on my Facebook, and a bunch of people like wrote in and wanted me to answer these. But before we do that, let's eat a little bit. Ooh, that's so satisfying. Sponsor me! No, I'm just kidding. No, but it is really good though. What should we get? Let's open up the marinara. This is so nifty. Good job, Pizza Hut. Fun fact, I used to actually work for Pizza Hut when I was younger. And I worked there for like a long time actually. It was my first job and it was like right by my house. So it only made sense for me to work there. Ooh, I kind of want a wing first. Should we do wing? Should have brought like a utensil, but I didn't. It's kind of saucy. It smells kind of like buffalo. This is the Nashville hot. I don't know if I said that already. So let's do one without ranch. Ooh, it's kind of spicy. It kind of tastes like buffalo, but spicier. The ranch is good. Okay. So this doesn't come with sauce? No. Okay. It's the pepperoni. I'm gonna take that without sauce. That is so good. Let's do one with marinara. Ah, that's bomb. I hope you guys are doing great. Or as best as you can be. I know a lot of cities are on lockdown right now. Which is crazy. I just went to Pizza Hut to go pick this up. It's like right by my house. And the girl was like, she's like, yeah, like we're supposed to be like closed down, but we like reduced our hours. And she was like, honestly, like nobody's even like coming. Like the most orders that we've gotten, like I guess yesterday they got like 4 orders before like 5 o'clock, which is crazy. So when I used to work there, like we used to be super busy. And that's like crazy just to have like 4. Do a close up. I don't know if you guys can see it. Chud barbecue. Ooh, that's good. Ooh, making a mess. Okay. Let's jump right in. The questions. try the ranch. I love ranch with my pizza, guys. I don't know if you've ever tried it, but you're missing out if you've never tried it. Should bring more napkins. Okay. Just how tall are you? I'm 5'2" and a half. Okay? I'm short. 5'2". What is your middle name? I actually don't have a middle name. I don't know if it's like... Actually, I don't think it's an Indian thing because my brother has a middle name, my mom has a middle name, my dad has a middle name. I just don't have a middle name. I don't know. I asked my mom why, and she was like, she doesn't even know, so there's that. Let's try cheese. Just do it clean in there. That marinara is really good. The crazy part is, I haven't had Pizza Hut in probably 2 years. Probably because when I used to work there, and I would just like see it all the time, and I would eat it all the time, and I just like just got sick of it. So I haven't had it in a couple years, and then I saw this, and I was like, ooh. What is my eye color? I have brown eyes. They're really, when you go in the sun, they're like really light. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. What kind of movies do I like? I love horror movies. A nice like crime, thriller, mystery, like who did it kind of movies. And I also love chick flicks. Like my favorite movie is A Walk to Remember. I know every single line. I probably watch it at least once a month. It is the best movie. It literally, I cry every single time I watch it, and I know what's coming up, but I still cry. Like it's so good. God, this is so good. I hope it's still recording. What's your favorite cereal? Cinnamon Toast Crunch all the way and Fruity Pebbles. If you don't like those things, then there's something wrong with you. What's the last movie you saw in a theater? I think the last movie I watched was probably Bad Boys 2 with Will Smith. That was like a month ago, maybe like a little bit over a month ago. And that movie was so good. Like I died laughing. Like that movie was so good. Do you speak any languages besides English? I do. I speak Telugu. It's like a South Indian language, I guess. Do you have any pets? I do. I have a dog. I talked about her in my last video, and I think I showed you guys some pictures. Her name is Bailey. She's a German Shepherd mix. She's adorable, but she is a handful. What is your favorite fast food? Chick-fil-A. And then it says, what's your order at your favorite fast food? I'll get a spicy chicken sandwich. Sometimes I get extra pickles because I love their pickles. With fries. Or I get a cool, what is it called? Like a cool wrap? Like a cool chicken wrap with fries. And Chick-fil-A sauce and Polynesian sauce. So bomb. And I love my sandwiches with like the Chick-fil-A sauce. It's so good. Have you been to any concerts? I have. I actually love music. I love going to concerts. Let's get another one of these. Oh, these are big. Oh my god, it's so oh my god, that's so spicy, guys. And I know I'm Indian, I'm supposed to love spicy food. Oops. But I really don't. Like, I like spicy food, but there's like a fine line between like a spicy enjoyable and spicy not enjoyable. Like, oh my god, I need to drink after that. What was the question? Oh, concerts. My first concert was a Drake concert. I think I was a junior in high school, maybe. I don't know. I don't remember. But me and my friend Camilla went to the concert. And we got really good seats, and it was at the Phillips Arena in Atlanta, which is like one of the biggest venues here. And we had like the 14th row, so we were like really close up there anyway. And what happened was something happened like where we were, and so they like moved us forward, so we ended up like sitting like on the 4th row, which is like wild. And I'm not even kidding, Drake's dad was like in the row in front of us, and he was so lit. He was so funny. Like, oh my god, he cracked us up. Like, it was so funny. He like didn't know any of Drake's songs, and so he was like sitting there like trying to rap, and he like turns around and he's like and he says something like I don't know any of his music, but I'm his dad, I'm gonna support him. It was the funniest thing. And then after that, well, that was my favorite concert of all time that I've been to. But I also love going to this band called Purity Ring. Me and my best friends go almost every year. We drove to Tennessee last year, or the year before last year. We drove all the way to Tennessee because they weren't coming to Atlanta this year, or that year. And so we drove all the way to Tennessee and went to go see them, and they're amazing. Like, their music is like, it's so good. Like, you guys have to listen to it. It's called Purity Ring. You guys should listen to them. And we got to take pictures with them, and then excuse me. We got to take pictures with them because they're like a little band. They're not like super like big yet. And I say yet because they're going to. They're gonna blow up. I just know it because their music is so good. And then they're like really, like, their performances are like out of this world. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's out of this world. What kind of music do you listen to? I love rap. That little baby. Roddy Ricch, hit me up. I freaking love him. That being said, I also love country music. Like, I love rap and I love country. I know it's like the opposite sides of like the spectrum, but country music makes me like just like love life. I don't know, maybe it's just like my country in me, like that I love fishing and like hunting and like all this stuff. Maybe that's what it is. Let's get another good cheese one. This is so good. Some some ranch. My favorite memory from childhood. My dad used to have a twin brother, and so my cousins, they used to live like 10 minutes away from us. So every weekend we would like, either they would come here with my best friends, or we would go there like with my friends and like have a sleepover, and we would literally stay up all night playing like video games or like basketball, like, and it would get so heated that like at the end of like every video game or like every basketball like round that we would play, like somebody would get mad. Like that's how intense it would be. But it would be so much fun. Like it was like the most innocent kind of fun, and like we would just like walk to the ice cream store and just like, I don't know, it was just like innocent and fun. Like having a sleepover, just stay up all night, watch scary movies. And I was like probably like 8, 9, 10, 11, like around those ages. Like middle school, like elementary school, middle school, and like a little bit of high school. And we would like get scared out of our minds and just like stay up all night. And Mario Party was our thing. Oh my god, we would literally stay up like hours and hours just to play Mario Party. GameCube, that's where it was at. What's the first thing people notice about you? I don't know. That's an odd question. I guess my eyes, because I have really big eyes and people say I have a nice smile. I don't know. I guess. I don't like answering questions like that. Are you an extrovert or an introvert? This is hard for me to answer because a lot of people say that I'm really shy, but I'm not. Like, I think I have to be around the right kind of people, or like people that I'm comfortable with, because I'm not quiet. I'm super loud. I'm goofy. So I guess an introvert, if it's not people. Well, I guess that's not really the question, because they're not really asking me if I'm shy or not. I like doing stuff. I like going out and like doing stuff with my friends, but at the same time, I do love being at home. Like, I'm a homebody. So I guess like I'm a mix of both. I guess it just depends. Are you single or taken? I'm not taken. I'm single. Very single. There's nothing wrong with that. Better being single than being in a relationship with somebody you don't want to be in a relationship with. Guys, their pepperoni is actually really good. Do you have any pet peeves? Of course, everybody's got pet peeves. I have a lot of pet peeves. That's not bad. It's like little things, like I can't even think of any. Oh yeah, I just thought of one because it just happened. Because my brother and I share a bathroom at my house, and he always puts the toilet paper in the wrong way. Like, it's supposed to go where like the roll is facing this way, and but he puts it the other way, and it drives me crazy. Or like wet doorknobs, or like just there's so many. I have so many pet peeves. I hate liars. Is that a pet peeve? I don't know. I have a lot. What's your favorite Netflix show? I don't really watch that much TV. I mean, I watch like a lot of crime shows, like murder mysteries. And speaking of, Murder Mystery on Netflix is a really good movie. It's funny and it's good. It's definitely one of these. scared my mouth is going. I'm like, my mouth is already spicy. I will say, you on Netflix, I watched the whole thing. I watched All American. I watched both seasons. I watched. I forgot what it's called. It's like the. I forgot. I don't know how to say it. I think it's like the. Actually, I'm not even gonna try. It's like it was about like a murder. I do love Criminal Minds. And Reed, if you're watching this, maybe one day hit me up because I love you. He's so gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh, so cool. What are your hobbies? I like to swim. I like photography. I have a Nikon, but I want to get a DSLR, but that's gotta wait because school is expensive. I like photography. I have a blog. I'll link it. Of like I used to take AP photography in high school, and that's when like my love formed. Like, I just genuinely love being behind a camera more than being in front of a camera. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be? Ooh, that's tough. In the world? I don't know. I haven't been to like many places. I definitely like Amsterdam is up there. I want to go to Dubai. I don't know if I would live there, but like I definitely want to go there. If it's in the US, New Orleans is up there. I genuinely love the people there. I love the food. New Orleans is up there. South Carolina. I like mellow places, even though like New Orleans isn't mellow at all, but like South Carolina, Hilton Head, like somewhere like that. Somewhere where I could like just open my door and like you can get like a nice fresh breeze of the ocean, or like, you know, something like that. What is your relationship with your parents? Or how is your relationship? My family and I are really close. I have a lot of cousins and aunts and uncles. I'm close to all of them. I just talked to my aunt from India today, actually this morning on the phone, because it's like crazy there too, and they have like a 21-day lockdown where they can't go anywhere. I mean, I guess it's like most of the world, but I was just talking to her. Yeah, I'm just like really close with my parents. I made some mistakes in my past, but my parents are always there to like support me and help me through everything, which I love. And my brother and I are really, really close. Like, he's probably like the one person in my life that like I like call or text at any time, and he'll always be there, which is nice. This is a really nice sized drink because I can never finish like a soda. Like, I don't really drink soda, but when I do open a soda, I can never finish it. But it's like a nice size, and I haven't had one in a while, so it like tastes extra good. Okay, let's have one more wing. I think I'm done. Ooh. Oop, missed it. probably easily feed like 2 or 3 people. I was really hungry, but I didn't really eat that much. But that's me, I guess. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any criticism or something that annoys you or something that you like, please let me know in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys soon.